Uh-oh. That just ripped right off. Uh-oh. Our forestay just ripped out.
Oh,
Mayday.
No.
Mayday. But amazingly lucky that piece landed in the boat. So the halyard's already tied.
The who?
So I'm here at the family cabin. It's just a lake, although it does get windy here. And so a couple summers ago, I remembered our good friends, the Bergens, a couple cabins over. The dad, Greg, he had a little dinghy that a friend's father made. I was talking to them and I was like, I gotta get sailing again. I gotta get used to it. So it's August long and they're finally here. So me and my sister Katie, we went over there. We tore apart their garage to get this out. And now we're just gonna fix it up. Just fire in a couple screws for some pieces coming out, fix a couple pieces, and then we're gonna get this in the water and see if it sails. You could also just hit the top button.
Well, I don't really know where the top button is.
This looks like it'll float.
There's something for the base of the mast there.
Oh yeah.
This bit is kind of loose.
The mast is at the bow.
Here's your,
right here. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Now we just need a keel, a mast, some sails, some rigging. Oh.
What's
Keel.
this?
This is the keel.
There you go.
He's gonna drop in here.
Yeah, that bungee cord that holds it down is probably, well, still.
Oh, if not, we can find something.
Yeah. Okay, now our sail is up there.
Oh, there.
That's good. Yeah.
I mean, I'm guessing this will be the forestay here, and then two little crowds.
Yeah, I'm not sure if this up here has anything to do with that. I can't remember now.
Is this the sheep?
So I'm sure this is very much similar to what you guys were using to sail around the world.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
There we go.
All right. Woo! Oh, and there's the boom. Amazing. So the halyard's already tied.
The who?
This is the main sheet, and I guess it feeds back to the center. Oh my god! It's the plastic loop.
So
Wow.
yeah, I think all we have to do really is just solve this little front problem so that the end of the mast will actually stay where you put it.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
then,
beauty.
then we're good.
All right. So this is it. We got the dinghy here. This is the mast. The boom is wrapped in there. Now it's just one sail, and it's basically like the mast is at the bow here. So it's pretty much, actually, I don't even have the experience to know if this is typical of dinghies or not. You can let me know in the comments if it is, because I'm used to center mast near where the keel is. So, I mean, you'll see it when it's all put together. But I think it's gonna be nice, basic, simple, easy to learn, and let's hope it floats. Katie, this is gonna be the perfect sailboat for you to learn on. There's only one sail. You don't have to play with the outhaul. Like, the main sheet is, I mean, this is the pulley on the main sheet. This is the block that we're working with. It's a plastic ring. There's no sheets. Just hope it floats. Okay, so where the mast connects, we've got some rotting pieces. So we're gonna replace those, get it up and running. So we're doing some arts and crafts. Probably good enough, right? So that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, I only did one of these cuts, and I screwed it up. Okay, she's ready to go. Just had to, this pin came out which holds the boom to the mast. We had to nail it straight so it slips in. And then over here, we've now got our block. It is glued in and screwed in. I know it's plywood, so it's gonna take on water, but whatever. It's only a couple days. There's a little bit of wind out there. This is Katie's first time sailing. About. Head up. Tighter. Coming about. Tighter. Head up. Oh my god, that sail is so slack. So beautiful. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Oh yeah, we didn't bring a bailer, did we?
Looks like that's the one side that's taking on water. No, this side's taking on water too.
Yeah, but like
This side's taking on pretty
not
quick.
that much water, right?
Right.
Okay.
Another hole.
Super professionally the boat's moving. Okay. That'll do. Okay. Where's our main sheet? Let's get this guy back in here. Katie, look at it. It's whoa! Oh, dive!
Wow, this would be great speed
It
to
dive!
learn.
Katie, this is gonna be so exciting. Okay, we gotta go to the dock and get it. Do you want main sheet or steersman?
I want easy.
Okay, I'll do all. So I'm gonna drive it, so watch out. Just
Okay.
to set up.
Driving. What side do you want me to sit in?
Well, for now, see if I can. Actually, you get in first.
Okay. Bring it to me. You want me on the far side?
Just sit in the middle.
In the.
Yeah,
This is what we're working with here.
yeah.
Okay. Oh, there's gonna be up my butt. Oh, she's jumping in. Oh, okay. Oh, oh. Okay. Should we push off or something? I'm gonna get decapitated. Hold on, I gotta get my butt down.
We're silent.
I don't know what we're looking at here. How do I make it show us?
Woo! We're sailing!
Can I
Actually,
sit?
here, do you want to do the main sheet?
Can I sit where you're sitting?
Yes.
Good. Can we do this all?
Katie, look at our wig! Look at our wig, Katie! Get a shot of that!
Wow! We're not just drifting.
No,
sailing.
this is drifting with intention. This is sailing right here.
Shit! Uh-oh! That just ripped right off! Uh-oh.
Oh, we ripped our forestay just ripped out.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh,
Mayday.
no.
Mayday.
We lost the forestay. But amazingly lucky that piece landed in the boat.
So there's
Okay,
no
at what
wind.
point should we turn back? Like
Look at how much water
belly
there
button
is.
of water or
I think probably now would be good. We just wanted to test the, like, you know, sinkability.
right. Okay.
Besides, we have to go back for potluck.
What are you doing?
I'm ducking.
This guy has windows.
You really got to give me a heads up when this thing comes swinging around.
Trust me, I've been hit with far worse.
Oh, okay. We're heading back, right?
What do you mean? We're just going now. We're in for a delightful cruise.
Coming about. Am I good? Am I in the clear? Okay.
Coming about! The world's slowest tack!
Look at that.
Just come out about a little bit harder than that next time. Okay, there we go.
Were we supposed to put this thing in?
Yes. Our keel? Yes. That's how that's how we can go into the wind.
Oh. Well, okay. GoPro. You're in the way.
GoPro put the keel in. I think I just put it backwards too.
Flat side.
Do you want to try steering?
Whee.
I'm like 5 years away.
I'm holding the rudder. It's like steering a trailer.
You're doing great.
I know. Great teacher. She gave me no instructions on how to
I
steer.
said, do you want to hold this?
Now, why are you pulling it in?
Because we're going into the wind.
Into the wind.
So it's tight.
What do you call into the wind?
Head up.
Head up, okay. I'm learning jargon.
Yeah. Except you don't want to go into the wind because then you'll luff and then you'll go in irons where you're dead downwind.
Right.
Or dead upwind, which is going into irons. So, you probably can't tell right now, but we're going that way. Via this operation. So, the hard thing about going into wind when there's no wind is that you can't really come about or tack the boat because you need momentum to
What
do
does
that.
come about mean?
Coming about is when you're tacking or jibing. The boom.
What is jibing?
Boom is coming about.
Ow, my arm!
A jibe is when you're turning direction going downwind. A tack is when you're turning direction going upwind.
We will put that in the description.
Tacking, jibing, like, just all.
Sure. To idiots like me, that made no sense. I'm just the girl in the boat with her arm holding the boom.
Yeah, I'm trying to bring it.
Oh.
Coming about! Ah!
Are we gonna jibe?
No, we're gonna hold this heading.
No. Would that be the right use of the term?
No, we're going up.
Frickin' heck.
It would be tacking.
Tacking still? Oh.
Katie, look at this corner of the boat. We gotta make it to shore because the second that goes over,
We're screwed.
if you squint your eyes and look really closely, we have some wake. Yeah. This is easier if I just hold the boom.
And feel it.
Hold from here. One hand on the tilly and one on the boom.
Papa Greg is coming to see how much water we're taking on. And I'm sad to report, it's quite a bit.
I'm obsessed with it. I love it.
She's thinking about writing an offer.
This is it. This is my dream boat.
Stepping stone.
This is the boat of my dreams.
Look how close we are to land.
You know, considering that they made it themselves, like with all the curves and
Yeah.
there's quite a bit to it.
Yeah.
Like for like a little tiny dinghy like that.
Yeah, well, I mean, like the physics of sailing itself, like to be able to have like the keel counteract the sail to like get that. I always explain it like an ice cube. Like when you hold the ice cube and you apply pressure on the side that shoots forward.
Yeah.
Like that physics of that is like a sailboat, where the two forces are like hitting the sail and then the counteracting of the keel just
Right.
shoots it forward.
I was glad to experience the inaugural
Oh yeah, inaugural, because this baby's gonna be out there tomorrow. I cannot wait for there to be wind. I cannot wait.
This is where we're parking. Okay.
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 Here, now I need you to hold the boat. Well, it was a successful maiden voyage, as you can tell. Couple jobs to do. One of which is our forestay rusted, stripped right out. But that's okay. We have more bigger screws that we can just pound in. But yeah, we got some holes to find.
Oh, we know where they are.
Holes to fill. Dad, do you mind if we take your bail bucket with us?
Where's my hole?
Oh.
I mean, right there is where the water's from. Oh, it's got, yeah, it's coming through on this side over here. But it's way better than it was before.
A little bit.
Towards you a bit.
Push it away.
Push it away from you. There you go.
And then bring it back.
Tilt towards your right. There you go.
There you go, keep pointing. Okay, no, we're going into the wind so the sail is in tight. There you go.
I'm doing it!
No, you don't, so that's the wind, so you don't want to go that way. You want to go a little bit off the wind. So aim, sail, go, aim that way. There
Play
you go.
hard?
No, just like.
Yeah, just little bits, right?
Yeah, just a little bit. There you go.
I
But also the thing is this sail can't really, okay, so now I gotta move my weight. That's my job.
ugh.
Yeah, because we want to go, you gotta go a bit more windward because then it helps the sail grab wind.
Oh, gotcha.
Because if I'm on the leeward side, then the sail just loses all the wind.
Leeward
So-
side.
Yeah, so
Lower to
windward is upwind, and then leeward is off wind, so you don't want your weight down on the leeward side. Yeah, so don't go into the wind, don't go into the wind, you're tacking. See, yeah? Don't point up. You're pinching. It's called pinching when you try to cut
You're
up.
throwing a lot of words at me. What are the 3 rules of sailing?
Keep water out of the boat, keep people in the boat, don't hit other boats. Okay, so there's significantly less water in the boat today, although we did just start. But I think it's doing good. Other modifications with bail bucket now. And this is also your traveler. Which is, so normally what you do is you have your traveler across here. And you tighten up your main sheet, except your traveler is just a plastic string.
I'm stuck. Oh, there you go. What is this thing for?
The outhaul is what holds the sail.
Oh man, it's faster that way.
Was so much faster than anything we've done. So first of all, this sailboat has a terrible point of sail. As in, we can only go like 80 degrees towards the wind. Really good boats can make it like 15 degrees, 20 degrees. You can't sail directly into the wind, but you can go slightly off on an angle. So some boats can do like 15, 20, 30. It's kind of nice. We can do like 80. Yeah, we're ripping. Okay, now keep pointing up. No, don't lose our. You gotta point up.
Woohoo! Okay, I've learned, figured out pinching.
Yeah?
What's the official term for that?
Trimming.
Trimming.
No, you're pinching too much. See, read the sail. If the sail starts luffing like that, you're getting too close.
Ooh.
So if the sail is kind of like
Luffy luff.
luffy luff, more so than this.
Oh, listen to that. Whoop flap.